Hello, viewers, and welcome. My name is Michael Williams, but you can call me Credible Mike. Today, I'll be using the Tornado gun to show you how I keep my van clean whenever it gets dirty. So, we'll be demonstrating exactly how the Tornado gun actually works. Keep watching to the end as I give you my first-hand experience with the Tornado, things that have gone wrong, and tips and tricks. Okay, so this is the vehicle that I drive on a daily basis. It's a 1997 Toyota Surf, and today we're going to be looking at the interior, and in particular we're going to be looking at the trunk. So here we go. Now, if I might say, it's not too bad for a 20 odd year old vehicle. Moved some material recently, and while I vacuumed the vehicle, I did not give it a deep clean. So the challenge for today is to see how much better the Tornador black cleaning gun will be able to make this trunk. So if you notice, we have some spots there, and there are certain other sections. We have some additional spots right there, and over here we have some additional spots. So the challenge, as I say, is to see, will the Tornado cleaning gun be able to improve the look of this trunk. So stay tuned, keep watching, and support my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Here is my setup. If you're going to use a Tornado gun, there are a couple things you're going to be needing. So we're going to start off with the Tornador, and this was actually purchased on Amazon, and the seller was Detail King, as you can see here. Detail King actually had the best price when I bought it at the time. Additionally, you're going to need a compressor, and this is a 50-liter compressor. Does a fairly reasonable job. Then you're going to need your hose, and this is a 50 feet hose that is used along with the Tornador. In terms of cleaning material, you really don't need a lot. Clean microfiber towel, some carpet and upholstery shampoo, and that's what I have in the Tornador. But one thing I really like about the Tornador is how versatile it is, because even if you don't have cleaning product, using even water can do a reasonable job nonetheless. The Tornador has two settings. When the knob is down like this, when you press the trigger, all you'll get is just air. The fluid will not actually come out. However, when you put it in the up position and you now squeeze the trigger, that's when you'll get the fluid. So in addition to cleaning the vehicle and removing the dirt, you can also use the same gun to actually dry the upholstery, so it give it a faster drying time. Okay, I get it. You're probably saying that the upholstery is too clean. You need a little drama, so I'm going to give you some. So here I have this old car seat, and what I'm going to do, something crazy. As you can see, giving you some drama, and we are going to put the Tornador to test in just a minute. So there you go. Probably that's more satisfying. So here we go, putting the Tornador to the test. Let's see what happens. So here we are now, testing to see how well the Tornador will be able to clean the trunk of this vehicle. Now from time to time the compressor will chip in, so it's actually a good idea that when the compressor chips in, you actually stop and give it some time to recover and use your rag to actually do some cleaning up. And as you can see, here's what's coming up. So we'll go again, and this time I'm going to hit the spots that were very obvious and see what happens. Here we go again. So you basically keep repeating this process. You clean, then you use the rag to remove the dirt as it spits it out of the carpet. And clearly you can see that some amount of cleaning is taking place. You can see where the dirt has been removed from the upholstery. So here we are, the job is finally complete. So let's take a look and see what the Tornador did. So remember, we had some discoloration over this side. Most of it is pretty much gone. And let us look and see. We had a dark spot over this side. It's pretty much gone. The other spot that was here, that is also gone. So remember, all that we did was to use a Tornador and spray the cleaning chemical into the carpet. After which we simply use a microfiber towel to get rid of the cleaning product. And as you can see, let's go again. This is the end result. Now the Tornador, while I'm very much impressed with it, it's not a magic tool, which means that if you use it the first time and you're not satisfied with the result, it doesn't look clean enough, then you can repeat the process. You can hit it several times until you get the result that you want. And I can guarantee that if you have the patience, you will get fantastic results using the Tornador. So from the first time I saw it on YouTube, I was very much impressed with it. And so I decided to buy this product. And to be honest, I am very much impressed. There we go. Dirt being lifted from the upholstery. It's a brand new microfiber towel being used. So already you can see some results. This is the power of the Tornador. Here we go again. And all of this is happening right before your very eyes. So there you have it. And I go over again and give it another blast. And please bear in mind that this is old engine oil that was placed on the upholstery, and there it is. The Tornador was able to blast it all away. Fantastic tool. So there you have it, some drama. What has gone wrong since I purchased this Tornador? Well, thankfully nothing too serious. However, I had a situation where the screw that was inside this lever actually fell out and got lost. Thankfully I was able to find a replacement. Then I discovered that the trigger mechanism was not working properly. Had to pull it up, and I discovered that there is a spring on the inside, and the spring actually got broken, so the trigger was not working as it ought to. However, now it functions exactly as though it was new. Something else that you need to bear in mind: as soon as you are finished with the gun, you need to have it clean. Now, one of the methods of cleaning it is simply to put it into a container with water and you blast the air through it, and that will get rid of whatever dirt particles that might be present inside the gun. When you pull off the jar of the Tornador, you'll come across this, which is known as a siphon tube, and attached to the end you have this ball looking structure. This needs servicing from time to time. It has mesh on the inside, and what can happen is that contaminants, pieces of whether fabric or whatever contaminants can get on the inside, and it can actually block it. So the fluid is not sprayed from the cone as it ought to. So one of the things that I had to learn on my own in terms of how to clean it out, if you want, you can try it yourself. You can pull off the cone as I'm doing now. You remove the cone from the body. Once you have done that, you're also able to remove this section from the tubing, and you simply put the gun now against the tubing. Now you have to be careful, because if you're not careful, it will blast out the mesh, and if you lose it, then you're going to have a problem. So once you put it on, you simply blast the air through it, and it will actually clear any contaminants that was on the inside. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. More videos coming soon.